Yixing Teapot. What makes them unique? In the world of tea, few vessels are as revered and sought after as the Yixing Teapot. These small, unassuming clay pots have captured the hearts of tea drinkers for centuries, and for good reason. Yixing teapots are not just simple vessels for brewing tea, they are works of art, imbued with history, culture, and a unique set of properties that set them apart from other teaware. The story of Yixing teapots is a fascinating one, spanning over 500 years of Chinese history and cultural heritage. From their humble beginnings as functional tea brewing vessels to their status as highly prized collectibles, Yixing teapots have played a significant role in shaping the world of tea as we know it today. We'll explore the history and origins of these remarkable clay pots, investigate the unique properties of the renowned Yixing clay, and celebrate the artistry and craftsmanship behind each handcrafted teapot. Whether you're a seasoned tea connoisseur or a curious newcomer to the world of tea, this post will instill a newfound appreciation for the magic and allure of Yixing teapots. The origins and history of Yixing teapots. 1. The geographical location and history of Yixing, China. To understand the significance of Yixing teapots, we must first look at the place where they originated. The city of Yixing in China's Jiangsu province. Yixing has a long and storied history as a center of ceramic production, with a tradition of pottery making that dates back over 6,000 years. The unique geological conditions of the Yixing region, with its rich deposits of iron-rich clay, have made it an ideal location for the production of high-quality ceramics. The discovery and early use of Yixing clay for pottery making can be traced back to the Song dynasty, 960 to 1279 AD, when it was used to create a variety of functional and decorative objects. The development of Yixing teapot craftsmanship. It wasn't until the Ming dynasty, 1368 to 1644 AD, however, that Yixing teapots began to emerge as a distinct and highly prized form of teaware. During this period, the art of tea drinking became increasingly popular among Chinese scholars and literati who prized the simplicity and functionality of Yixing teapots. As demand for Yixing teapots grew, so too did the skill and artistry of the craftsmen who made them. During the Qing dynasty, 1644 to 1912 AD, Yixing teapot production reached new heights of sophistication and refinement, with the emergence of famous artisans and workshops that set the standard for quality and design. 3. The cultural and artistic significance of Yixing teapots. Over time, Yixing teapots became more than just functional tea brewing vessels. They became objects of cultural and artistic significance, prized by collectors and connoisseurs around the world. The unique properties of Yixing clay, combined with the skill and creativity of the artisans who worked with it, resulted in teapots that were not only beautiful, but also highly effective at brewing the perfect cup of tea. Today, antique Yixing teapots from the Ming and Qing dynasties are highly sought-after collectibles, with some rare examples fetching prices in the millions of dollars at auction. Modern Yixing teapots, crafted by skilled artisans using traditional techniques, are also highly prized by tea enthusiasts around the world, who appreciate their beauty, functionality, and cultural significance. The unique properties of Yixing clay. One of the key factors that sets Yixing teapots apart from other types of teaware is the unique properties of the clay used to make them. Yixing clay, also known as Zisha or purple sand, is a type of clay that is found only in the Yixing region of China. This special clay is composed of a variety of minerals, including iron, quartz, and mica, which give it its distinctive color and texture. Yixing clay is typically divided into 3 main categories based on its color: purple clay, zini, red clay, hongni, and green clay, luni, each with its own unique characteristics and properties. 2. The effects of Yixing clay on tea brewing. One of the most remarkable properties of Yixing clay is its porosity. Unlike other types of ceramic teapots, which are typically glazed to create a smooth, non-porous surface, Yixing teapots are left unglazed, allowing the clay to absorb the flavors and aromas of the tea brewed inside the teapot. Over time, as the teapot is used to brew the same type of tea repeatedly, it develops a unique seasoning that enhances the flavor and aroma of the tea. This is why many tea drinkers choose to dedicate a specific Yixing teapot to a particular type of tea, such as oolong or pu'er. 3. The health benefits of brewing tea in Yixing teapots. In addition to their effects on the flavor and aroma of tea, Yixing teapots are also believed to have certain health benefits. Some tea enthusiasts believe that brewing tea in a Yixing teapot can help to reduce the acidity and bitterness of certain teas, making them smoother and more palatable. There is also a long tradition of using Yixing teapots in the practice of tea therapy in traditional Chinese medicine. According to this practice, brewing and drinking tea from a Yixing teapot can help to promote relaxation, improve digestion, and alleviate certain health conditions. While more research is needed to fully understand the potential health benefits of brewing tea in Yixing teapots, there is no denying the unique and special properties of Yixing clay that make it such a prized material for teaware. The art and craftsmanship of Yixing teapots. The traditional techniques used in Yixing teapot production. The creation of a Yixing teapot is a complex and time-consuming process that requires great skill, patience, and attention to detail. The first step in the process is the harvesting and preparation of the Yixing clay itself. The clay is typically harvested from deep underground mines in the Yixing region, where it has been formed over millions of years by the forces of nature. Once harvested, the clay is carefully sorted and cleaned to remove any impurities, then aged and refined to achieve the desired consistency and plasticity. The next step in the process is the shaping and carving of the teapot itself. Yixing teapots are typically made using a combination of hand-building and wheel-throwing techniques, with each artisan developing their own unique style and approach. Once the basic shape of the teapot has been created, the artisan will then use a variety of tools and techniques to refine and decorate the surface of the teapot. This may include carving intricate designs and patterns into the clay, adding handles and spouts, and applying various glazes and finishes. The different styles and designs of Yixing teapots. One of the most fascinating aspects of Yixing teapots is the incredible variety of styles and designs that have evolved over the centuries. From simple, unadorned teapots to highly elaborate and ornate designs, there is a Yixing teapot to suit every taste and preference. Some of the most classic and enduring styles of Yixing teapots include the Zisha teapot, is named after a famous Chinese beauty with its graceful curves and elegant proportions. The pear-shaped teapot with its plump, rounded body and slender neck. The shipiao, or stone scoop teapot, with its angular, geometric shape and bold sculptural lines. In addition to these classic shapes, Yixing teapots are also known for their intricate and symbolic decorations. Many teapots feature designs and motifs that are rich in cultural and historical significance, such as dragons, phoenixes, and Chinese characters. The famous Yixing teapot artisans and their signature styles. Throughout the history of Yixing pottery, there have been many famous artisans and workshops that have left their mark on the art form. These master craftsmen are celebrated for their unique styles, techniques, and contributions to the world of Yixing teapots. Some of the most famous Yixing teapot artisans include Gong Chun, is a 16th century artisan known for his simple, elegant designs and exquisite craftsmanship. Chen Ming Yuan is an 18th century artisan famous for his intricate and detailed carvings. Gujing Zhou, a 20th century master who pioneered the use of new materials and techniques in Yixing teapot production. Today, there are many contemporary Yixing teapot artisans who are carrying on the rich tradition of this art form, creating stunning and innovative designs that push the boundaries of what is possible with Yixing clay. These modern masters are helping to ensure that the art of Yixing teapot making continues to thrive and evolve for generations to come. Choosing and caring for a Yixing teapot. Factors to consider when selecting a Yixing teapot. If you're in the market for a Yixing teapot, there are several important factors to consider to ensure that you get the best possible teapot for your needs and preferences. Here are a few key things to keep in mind. Authenticity and quality. With the popularity of Yixing teapots, there are unfortunately many counterfeit and low-quality imitations on the market. To ensure that you're getting a genuine Yixing teapot, look for reputable sellers and carefully examine the craftsmanship and details of the teapot. Size and shape. Yixing teapots come in a wide range of sizes and shapes, from small, single-serving pots to larger, multi-cup vessels. Consider your tea drinking habits and preferences when selecting the right size and shape for your needs. Final thoughts. Yixing teapots are truly unique and special vessels that offer a perfect balance of form and function. With their rich history, cultural significance, and unparalleled performance in brewing tea, It's no wonder that Yixing teapots have captured the hearts and minds of tea lovers for centuries. From the unique properties of Yixing clay to the incredible skill and artistry of the craftsmen who shape them, every aspect of Yixing teapots is designed to enhance and elevate the tea drinking experience. Whether you're a seasoned tea connoisseur or a newcomer to the world of tea, investing in a quality Yixing teapot is a decision that you won't regret. As we continue to explore and appreciate the art and science of tea, it's important to recognize and celebrate the role that Yixing teapots have played in shaping this beloved global tradition. By preserving and promoting the craft of Yixing teapot making, we can ensure that future generations will have the opportunity to experience the magic and wonder of these remarkable clay pots. So the next time you sit down to enjoy a cup of your favorite tea, take a moment to appreciate the beauty and craftsmanship of your Yixing teapot. Savor the rich flavors and aromas that have been carefully cultivated and preserved by generations of skilled artisans, and raise a toast to the enduring legacy of this timeless art form. Meta description: learn more about the history, craftsmanship, and unique features of Yixing teapots and how to properly use, clean, and store them.